Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make the Asian-style pork ribs baked by a convection steam oven. A convection steam oven not only locks in vitamins, nutrients, moisture, and flavor, but also cooks foods faster and saves energy. Here, the ribs can be cooked uncovered in the convection steam oven, and in just an hour, they are fall off the bone tender with beautiful color and a crusty exterior. Before we start, please remember to subscribe to my channel for recipe of other yummy food. Let's look at the ingredients now. Full recipe is in description underneath the video. I prefer to use pork back ribs. Wash and wipe dry the ribs. I prefer to cut it in half so it's easier to marinate. Peel the garlic and shallot, then coarsely chop them. Mix marinades, ketchup, Lea Perrins, cooking wine, Hoisin sauce, soy sauce, brown sugar, cornstarch mixed together. Add liquid egg, and you may also add the optional chili sauce. Add garlic and shallot. Mix well. Pour the marinades into the pork ribs. Rub the meat so the marinades can be fully absorbed into the meat. Repeat the procedures for the other half of ribs. Cover and keep it in the fridge for overnight. Brush a roasting rack with oil. My convection steam oven doesn't need to be preheated, so place the pork ribs onto the roasting rack, pour the sauce on top, then convection steam bake at 265 Fahrenheit for 55 minutes. Remove the ribs from oven, turn up the temperature to 440 Fahrenheit. Scrape juice from the bottom of baking pan to cover the pork ribs. Convection steam bake at 440 Fahrenheit for 5 to 6 minutes. Remove from oven. The steam keeps the ribs moist and the convection browns it just white. The meat is fall off the bone tender, but still full of flavor. The juicy and yummy steam oven baked Asian style pork ribs is now ready to serve. Enjoy!